In this guide, you will learn how to get Cursor AI for free as a student. Let's get started. Cursor, the AI-powered ID, has officially launched a free one-year membership plan exclusively for students, and it's available worldwide. This plan gives you access to Cursor's pro features for 365 days, including 500 AI prompts every single month at no cost. To get started, visit Cursor.com and sign up using your student email address, such as edu email or a valid Microsoft student email. After signing up, you will receive an OTP. Enter it to complete the registration. Once you are logged in, head over to Cursor.com/student and click on the option to verify your student status. You will be redirected to Sure ID, where you will need to fill out a form with details like your school name, first and last name, country, and other required information, making sure you use the same student email you signed up with. After submitting the form, you will be asked to verify through your platform such as a Google or Microsoft. Once the verification is complete, you will be redirected back to Cursor. At this stage, you may be asked to enter your card details, but don't worry, you won't be charged. After that, your free Cursor Pro membership will be activated for a full year, giving you 500 free prompts every month. If this worked for you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.